Balloon Calla Lily Tutorial. First, twist a 7-finger width bubble. Pinch the knot, twist it, and thread it through the center of the loop twist. Make another 10-finger width loop bubble. Wrap and secure. Then insert the small bubble into the large bubble and secure it in place. Release the excess gas. Tie a secure knot. Trim off the excess balloon material. Take a small piece of white balloon and thread it through the center of the small loop bubble. Use a green 260 balloon to create 3 loop twists, each 2 fingers wide. Then wrap the excess neck of the red balloon around the flower base. And there you have it, a Calla lily balloon.